Tutorial 6. Cutting checkered pieces on the bias. I cut it out very carefully. This cut-out central back piece will be joined with the side back piece. Their edges are nearly identical. I place the cut-out central back piece over the fabric so as to match its edges with the print. I place the original side back piece over it, matching their edges. I trace the cut edge following the initial pattern piece. Then I put the initial piece over the fabric again, match its edge with the line, and trace the whole piece. However, we have applied some alterations to the side seam and the princess seam of the actual side piece of the corset back. The same needs to be done on the corresponding checkered piece. I place the lining on top of it and trace it. It is pretty time-consuming, so be patient and don't miss anything crucial. Let's see what comes out of it. We can still double-check everything and match the lines better since we haven't cut it out yet. I pinned the central piece of the outline of the side back piece, matching their edges. It does look quite neat. Let's cut out the side piece of the back. Don't forget about all alterations we've had. And then I need to cut out the next piece, the side front piece. I check if the side seam that joins the front and back pieces is well matched. It looks good. I put the cut-out side piece of the back on the fabric and locate its side seam edge so as to match the print. I put the side front piece over it, match their side seam edges, and trace it. Then I remove the back piece, place the front piece over the fabric again, matching its side seam edge with the drawn line, and make a full outline of the side front piece. All alterations have been accounted for. Before I start cutting this piece, let's look at the way the squares are going to lie. It looks rather pretty. Let's hope we will manage to join the pieces as successfully on the actual garment. I cut out the piece. As you must have guessed, I'm going to use these pieces for cutting out their twins by placing each piece over the fabric and matching the squares as well as I can. I secure the pieces with pins and cut them out. What I have as a result are the following patterns: the back and the side of the corset front made of checkered fabric and their cotton lining base to prevent the checkered fabric from stretching. Two front pieces made of the main fabric, the intermediate one and the central piece with a fold line.